In Sage 50 Accounts, it's easy to record your expenses and your costs using the bank payments option. The bank payment option is used where money is going out of the business where there is no supplier record involved. You record the details of these payments within bank accounts. If your icons are grouped together, you'll need to expand the payments option. If they're not, you'll have a separate icon for bank payment. You then record the details of each payment on each line. In this example, you specify your bank account that the money is being paid out of, in this case account 1200 or current account. Enter the date of the payment, a reference if you have one. In our example, it's a payment for some petrol, so we'll just put petrol in the reference. You can enter an extra reference. You then enter the appropriate nominal code, and if appropriate, a project reference and cost code, and then enter some details. You can then enter the net value of the transaction, choose the relevant tax code, and the tax should calculate automatically. You should note that this can be overridden if required. You can then tab down to the next line to continue entering the details of your other payments. In this example, it's just the one, so we'll save it, and then close. That's how easy it is to record your expenses and your costs in Sage Accounts.